401k to Gold IRA investment strategies for $700,000. In today's unpredictable economy, protecting retirement funds with diversified investments is essential. Transitioning from a 401k to a Gold IRA can strengthen your portfolio. Here are 10 strategies for investing $700,000 in a Gold IRA. 1. Assess your finances, evaluate your assets, liabilities, and financial goals to understand your current 401k value and plan your transition. 2. Choose a reputable custodian. Select a Gold IRA custodian with a solid reputation, excellent customer service, and transparent fees. 3. Diversify within the IRA. Invest in gold bullion, coins, ETFs, and mining stocks to spread risk and enhance growth potential. 4. Understand tax implications. Consult a tax advisor to navigate rollover tax rules, ensuring compliance and tax efficiency. 5. Time the market. Monitor gold market trends and economic indicators to make informed investment decisions. 6. Allocate strategically. Use a tiered investment approach, spreading out your $700,000 over time to reduce market fluctuation impacts. 7. Secure storage. Opt for custodians offering segregated storage for your gold, ensuring safety and traceability. 8. Monitor your portfolio. Regularly review your Gold IRA's performance and adjust your strategy based on market conditions. 9. Seek professional advice. Consult financial advisors specializing in precious metals for expert guidance on managing your portfolio. 10. Maintain a long-term view. Focus on the long-term potential of gold, as it tends to grow despite short-term market fluctuations. Careful planning and strategic execution are key when transitioning from a 401k to a Gold IRA with a $700,000 investment. Following these strategies can protect your retirement funds and create a robust, diversified portfolio. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.